All right, so you modified the oil line?
I cut it off, so now it's in. We have a little extra clearance, see? It's good to go. If it moves all the way out, it goes out this far and you get more clearance. You still can't put it in unless you pull the head up. I gotta get it out now.
How am I going to get it out?
Well, you put the nuts on it, what are we gonna do?
Well, you got to take it off.
Oh, shit. I gotta pull the whole head off?
Hold on.
That's a lot of work. Good thing I only got one bolt in. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
You notice I open the hole back up, chamfer it on the inside and outside, and float it. When you chop it off, it's real restricted. And we can't have restrictive oil lines in this bike.
No.
There you go, custom. Where's your intake manifold? Good clamps.
I don't have one.
Is it in that box?
Nope. Nope. Just covers and some bushings.
What are you gonna use for that?
I don't have one. I need to get one.
What carb are you gonna use?
I don't know. Probably Makuni.
Kind of McKinney.
The one that you have that you always, the one that you run on your Sportsters?
You gonna use a Sportster gas tank?
Yeah. Or the little, like a wassail tank.
As long as it's not a fat bob, you're alright.
Yeah.
Alright, squeeze that down. Squeeze that down. Get your nuts started. Gotta hold your line straight because it will cock over a little. I know what you forgot to do. You forgot to put this one in. Now see, this one's probably too short. Forgot this one, didn't you?
Yeah.
Man, almost. It's making me work now. Cheating. Don't forget to put the line in.
Yep.
Or you gotta bend it to get it out. I guess I bent it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, bend it back. Alright. Well, you can take this to drag races. All you have to do is lie about your frame. Tell them it's a 1948 Harley with a new motor in it.
Sure. Well, you have a 48 frame here somewhere.
They wouldn't know the difference, though. You could tell them it's 47, they wouldn't know the difference. Some people would do that. I did have my single once. I went up, took it up to anti-grasses. I tell them, yeah, this is a 1952 motor mount in this bike, so that makes it legal. I told them it's a frame, but it's a motor mount. It had a 1952 motor mount. That's the only part that's old.
Yeah.
I made one run. Then I ran the military. I took the KR up that. I ran the KR the rest of the meet. It's hard to ride two bikes at once. They run all the bikes at once, so you have to make a decision on which one you want to run. I had to go with the slow one.
Slow?
Because it was better. Yeah, you can run the KR on nitro, or you run the single on nitrous. Which one's slower?
I couldn't tell you. This both seemed kind of fun.
The KR run through at about 90, and the other one run through at about 110. So a little different.
A little different.
It'll be a close race to half track though. I think the Carol will beat it to half track.
What's that?
I think it'll beat it to half track though.
Ah.
But the single will be coming on strong. Down. Make sure you leave these just loose enough you can move the head. See how this wrench makes it go quicker?
Not your fingers?
It's hard on your finger to keep banging your head over there, see? Yeah, I ground it down to fit in there, see? Everything gets modified around here. Okay, now you bring it down until it's a little closer. There. There. Guess I missed one. I already did this side. Must have got sidetracked on oil lines.
You did. You got sidetracked on the oil lines. I got sidetracked on the oil lines too.
Yeah. If you get internal oil lines, you have to worry about those lines. Or those jacked up holes.
Yeah, but that won't look cool.
That's true. You have to sacrifice. I didn't hit that, did I?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, man. Soft or hard?
Hard.
Soft.
See?
Where's your intake?
I don't have one.
What happened to it?
It's not in the box. Someone took it.
Jeez. Not in the box. What are you going to do then? Go home?
Got one right there. In stock.
Mock up.
Mock up.
What year's your bike?
78. Ooh, 78.
First year, the fancy one that's made right. See how they cut the corner out?
Uh-huh.
They purposely made a dimple in there like that. Before that, it came straight and didn't flow very good. This is the improved model. It's also aluminum instead of cast iron. And this is the late one anyway because it's got the rubber band on it. All right, so you got to go in there and make sure they line up.
You look like they line up.
Pretty close. You look at the ports in there. There's a little bit of a lip on the side because it's too close. See that lip right there?
Yeah. This side.
You can see the angle's not quite right, but it's close. They never line up perfect anyway.
To Harley, it's not going to line
Yeah.
up.
Anyway, this will, you can put the rubber band on there, it'll squeeze in a little bit better and it'll be alright. So the heads are all the way in right now.
Gotcha.
And when I squeeze them down a little bit from torque, and they'll squeeze in a little bit closer, which will probably help you a little bit. So even though they're not at 90 degrees, they're actually slightly less than 90. The distance between them works better with that manifold than the other way. So when you get your right manifold on there, you'll be good. Hopefully. Oh, somebody got on my ass about spinning the motor around like it's worthless. That was the Keith's comments. You guys have nothing better to do than make fun of me, I guess. It really hurts my feelings too.
I suppose, yeah.
You're not supposed to go like this. It's bad on the motor. You do shit like this. Dumbasses. Remember this tool?
Yeah.
We have to use a 7/16 version of this. Now the Onion Genius told me I had to use this correctly. It's only accurate at 90 degrees. He didn't say that, but I already knew that. When you're like this, it's less torque, and it's over here, it's more torque.
Oh.
So, and actually I make it up here because I want more torque than it's supposed to be. And then I usually go a little extra anyway, because I like over torquing. Now the other way is you can use your double in box wrench. And you go like that. And you be a man and just pull on the son of a bitch until it's tight.
Let's spin it.
Well, I didn't do that, did I? There. Now you notice I get the 3, 2 that side, 1 this side.
Mm-hmm.
Pulls the head down evenly. Then you come in and get these middle ones. Now when this wrench starts to flex a little bit, you're getting about the right torque.
The right torque.
Yes. That's how I do my race bike. We ain't got time to torque a race bike. We just pull it down hard.
We pull it down and run it.
And I even got a tube that goes on here if you really want to make it cheat.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. You end up breaking studs.
You want to do that?
No.
No, can't pull it. Anyway, so you can use this wrench or this wrench. Doesn't matter. Now, somebody got this in the wrong spot. So it goes over here. What number do you want to use? Well, it's only on 40 right now. See, that's the problem. The motor turns on you. I don't usually use 40, but
Well, what do you what do you use?
more. So you torque it like this. Spin around this way. Torque it like this, we can pull on it, see? It's harder to pull this way, the motor just wants to spin.
Mm,
It pivots around the bolt, imagine that.
gotcha.
You notice I got a steel workbench, it slides real easy.
Yeah.
How do I do it? And I just threw that down on the ground, didn't I? I don't like that either. You don't realize this echoes real bad.
On the camera?
Yeah. The camera really picks up the noise too. They accuse me of throwing everything around. Well, I am probably doing it too, but I don't care. I already did that one, didn't I? I must have missed this one. Yeah, that was the one I missed. See, usually I don't torque at 40, I torque like 35, and then I go to 52. And then I torque the snot out of it. There's 52. Factory torque.
Spin it.
That's because I like using these ones. Remember, it's not accurate.
Not accurate.
Nope. More than ever. It's more than advertised. See, this is hard to hold it this way. But it's easy to hold it this way because I got all this leverage helping me.
Yeah.
The other way I didn't have any leverage. My dad used to put a tube on here so you can hold it out here.
Makes sense.
That's how he used to do it. Tubes cost money, it's too much money. Even though a wide glide fork tube works real good.
You giving up all your tricks? I film it and put it on
No,
YouTube.
he does that. I did that.
You're not doing it.
No, I just
You just handle it.
deal with it. I just deal with it. He didn't used to use a stand either. He'd just be flopping around on the table. I got some comments about that too. Okay, oops. I didn't overdo that, did I? Yeah, that's perfect. It's almost 90. Yeah, that was accurate. This one's not. Ooh. That's too much. Not that much. Did we already do that one?
I think you did.
No. We got a little extra now. Which one did I miss?
That one.
Toward my elbow.
You torquing your elbow?
My elbow doesn't like that. So you over torque this one? How much over torque did you put on it? See how the wrench flexes?
Yep.
See, you didn't think I torque set on that wrench, did you? Yeah, over torque. See, on a forced, it works real good because the bolts are right here. You got to squeeze like crazy with it and put your arm into it.
Put your arm into it.
Yeah, that's how you do this forced. Yeah, I think I do it that way. Too much pain in my elbow. Getting too old to do it that way. I hit something. Yeah, that's good. And you can go up to 75 if you want. Yeah, did you hit that?
Yeah.
This is my leverage here. That's a hard one to do. No leverage. Did you hear that one pop?
Yeah, your elbow pop there.
Yeah, that was the right torque. I finally got one torqued adequately. Yep, that angle. Go over here. I think use my left arm too. Oh, somebody didn't put paint on that snaggle tooth over there.
Hell yeah, it's gold. One gold tooth. Shabba shabba right.
All right, did I get all of them?
Yes, sir.
What number we have? 50?
52.
Yeah, it's close enough. To back it down for twin cams.
Pussies.
Well, they were like 23 on a twin cam.
Who knows?
You put number that blows gaskets all day long.
Yeah. Who wants a twin cam anyways?
Oh, look at it. It fits in there just like it's supposed to now.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Pulled in a little bit. This is dirty. Probably laying on a bench on the floor. Appears somebody was in here screwing around the pores. Who was that?
It was me. I ported him.
You poured it? It's all your fault?
Yep. The sensei told me how to port them.
Okay, now we do a valve adjustment. Alright, we'll be back in a couple minutes.